making curry paste. Woohoo! We have yellow curry and we have green curry. แกงเขียวกับแกงกะหรี่ This is different แกงกะหรี่ น้ำพริก is a curry paste or chili paste น้ำพริกแกงกะหรี่
Gengari.
It's your curry paste, you should say it น้ำพริก
Namprek,
แกงกะหรี่
Kengari.
Hey, very good. And this one น้ำพริก
Nampi.
แกง
Yay.
เขียวหวาน
Okay.
แกงเขียวหวาน
Thank you, man.
Hey, very good. You're trying very good at it. Gang is the curry เขียว the color green. When they cook the curry one, that means a little bit sweet, but not too spicy, kind of mild.
How do you say?
แกงน้ำพริก
Nampri?
แกงเขียวหวาน
Ken Kioa.
Hey, very good. You're good. Good job. You make it easy to me. Ball, a fish ball.
Too much?
There's a big, a little bit. That's okay. We can cook it down.
I can mix it right.
Yeah. You see that? You want to cook until the thick and the oil separate. This technique it bring out the colors and the flavor.
Okay.
And now you fry the chicken or fish or prawn, whatever you have. You know, it absorbs more spice, make it more flavorful. Now all the milk, please.
All the milk.
Move the oil over the wok and put the salad in. All of them. See the color? Beautiful green. Look at that. This is the real green curry in Thailand. Keep cooking until you don't see cloudy green, okay? It has to be like deep green, huh? It's going to be fishy, salty. Is it salty to you?
Yes, but it's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.